My favorite vegetation as an experienced eco printer, but for any new eco printer, is onion skins. They are absolutely fantastic when you are working in the dirty pot. And this top and scarf that I am wearing now, they have both been printed using onion skins. The top is lamb's wool. There's also a very small sprinkling of black tea on this. It's lamb's wool. It was printed about 6 years ago. I wear it constantly in the winter here in Ireland, and it has been through my washing machine numerous times every year. I cannot express how the colours are still sharp and vibrant, and the prints are very clearly defined. And the silk scarf as well, this has been washed multiple times. Now, I try not to wash my garments until they are actually dirty. I like to air them and freshen them up, but I also want to be sure when I'm eco printing that the color will last. So if you follow the dirty pot process, please do try onion skins. And the part of the onion that you are using is that papery outer shell. You don't want to use anything that's too fleshy because you will actually end up having whatever you are printing smelling a little bit of onions. Trust me on that. So just use that dry outside papery shell. I find that in Ireland, we have what I would consider to be brown onions, but some people may call them white onions, but they have a brown golden color. They give me the prints that I like the best. Red onions give a more olivey shade, and I don't find that garlic or shallots, you may say shallots, give any prints for me, but that doesn't mean that they won't give them for you, because vegetation that grows in different climates and growing conditions may well print for you. But I recommend that those brown outsides and the red ones, those are what you start with.